until almost you can see a blue speedy tire shop. Then you turn left, then go straight. We are how to say here? We are going straight until the end. Then we go first. Then we need to go until according to color. Blacky go first, then bluish, then silver. Sorry, then silver, then bluish, then red, then white color. How about polish metal and gold color?
Polish metal and gold color will follow at the back. Because only one line. Cannot do anything. Then we try to skip one traffic light there. We'll go inside, come out the other side, a shortcut to skip traffic light. So all please follow closely. No overtake or anything. Single file. Just follow from in front and just go at your back. Okay? We got two pace car. One is the silver one. The pace car, you don't follow him. And the other one is in front one. 8099 5G Blacky. Okay? Any question? Okay.
Much place to in my way we will still proceed. Okay, good evening everyone. I'm Nick aka Calvin from Teamcity. I welcome you all to the world. As many of you may know that this will be a second event. First joined in 2010 for Teamcity. I would like to express a big thank you to Mr. Mike, Agent Civic, Mr. Jack from Myjffc, and Mr. Steven from Sakura Stallionz, for making this a successful and meaningful event, and not forgetting you and us on their hospitality for today. Apart from that, we have honored Miss Toon and Jacqueline of Densu for joining us at this level. And welcome and thank you for coming. With all the presidents.
Good evening everyone. Once again, I would like to thank Teamcity, Myjffc, Sakura, Stallionz, and these four clubs for inviting us to participate in this event. Though it's a bit short notice, we couldn't bring more members over. But we are glad to be here. So, and I hope that we can also forge a closer tie between our clubs. And also to have more such events in the future. exhaust. Yeah, so hope everyone have a great evening and see you all again in okay, good evening everybody and tonight we present Myjffc to help us enjoy this event and organize like Teamcity and also you as well. And here we also let to know that Sakura Stallionz and Myjffc and also Teamcity and also Myjffc.
Hi, good evening. I don't know whether I need this now, but never mind, I'll be busy. Anyway, it's good to see all of you here. First, of course, appreciation goes to Teamcity for coming up with such a great event. And of course, a lot of appreciation to you exhaust as well, if you can understand what I'm saying. It's good to see Myjffc and also Civic Club here. For the Sakura Stallionz, basically we consider something like a reunion with old friends. And of course, we take this opportunity to make more new ones. Alright? So, congratulations for taking the time to come. I'm sure all of us can forge a beautiful relationship through this sort of events. Let's look forward to more to come. Okay? Thank you.
So guys, now we go for checking the latest products and special rate from Yew, and then after that we'll have a catering here, maybe ready by 7. Thank you for coming.